Hello, my name is Ngan and I'm a member of the class of 2025. I would definitely say that all the school trips have been very memorable for me because something always happens in them and we always get to experience many different activities in it, and I'm just really grateful to have experience with all my friends. In the past 2 years at least for the IB, I would definitely say math has been my most exciting lesson just because the teacher has been really amazing and supportive for me, and also my classmates have all been very actively participating in the classes. I would definitely say my teachers were very encouraging. I didn't really put my name in the drawing hat at the start to be a head student, but because my teachers believed in me and they were all very supportive, I decided to take that leap of faith and believe in myself too. I learned a lot of skills such as organization, leadership, and also teamwork because it took a lot of planning and preparation for a lot of our events and also assemblies. So there was a lot of behind the scenes work. Well, I think planning for the Legacy Assembly was one of the bigger assemblies that we had to deal with because we had to work with not only internal staff and students, but we had to contact other teachers from different schools as well. And it was a very difficult experience, but also very teaching because we learned a lot of skills, how to deal with conflict and unexpected challenges. Aside from the school production that I was in for Guys and Dolls this year, I am also very proud of our art exhibition that we had to do for our IB curriculum, and primarily my piece of work for a children's book that I wrote for that exhibition, which I was really proud of. My reasoning was pretty simple. Aside from the fact that I've always been very interested in performing arts, it's also because it was my last year here, so I felt that I would regret it if I didn't join. It was really fun. Everyone was so supportive. It was actually kind of shocking to me how nice everyone was, even though I was really inexperienced in performing arts. So I was really grateful that people were so patient and nice to me. I feel that BIS has really shaped me to become someone who is very adaptable and versatile, especially in the past 2 years of IB where a lot of unexpected challenges happened and I wasn't really equipped to face it, but because my friends and teachers were so supportive, I was able to overcome the challenges and feel a bit more calm when dealing with it. My favorite CAS experience was when I helped out with another CAS group for their own project, and we went to a partner school, Vinhomes, to host art lessons for some of the students there, and it was so much fun. The students were really welcoming and supportive of us, and we were just sitting in a room together drawing and just having a good time. I also made a friend there because we had the same name, and it was really enriching experience. I definitely learned a lot of skills in communication and how to communicate with people with different needs and how to cater to them and make them feel welcome and comfortable. I feel that I am a lot more assured in myself now that I've gotten support from my teachers and my friends, and I feel that I'm more concrete in my plan for the future because I've gotten a lot of help with organizing and just structuring what I'm gonna do when I graduate. Definitely progress over perfection. I was very keen on making everything perfect, everything has to be a certain way, but instead of that, my teachers were really just pushing for me to just do the work and just try as best as I could and not be too caught up on the results. Experiment. I think a lot of us have stopped ourselves short and set a limit on ourselves because we're scared of what we can't or can do, and I regretted not joining the production earlier. I regretted a lot of things in my time here because I was too afraid to actually take that step and try, and I'm really grateful for the people who actually pushed me and really supported me along the way so that I could achieve things that I didn't think I could. Well, for me, I'm planning on taking a gap year to earn some work experience and travel for inspiration. I'm already planning on interning at my family's business, so I can help with designing and marketing and stuff. And then after that, I'll plan my portfolio and go to England for university.